Hi, this is Mark and this is English Conversation Practice. And today we're going to talk about doing laundry. Doing laundry plus bonus content. Clean up. Clean up. Yes, it's very important to have a clean house. Okay, doing laundry. Sort the laundry. First, we need to sort the laundry. Yes. Separate the whites and the darks. Yep. Load the washer. Yep, so we got to put the laundry into the washer. Load the washer. Add the detergent. Yeah, so the detergent cleans the clothes. That's what cleans, that takes out the dirt. Hang the clothes to dry. Yes, so they came out of the washer. Now the clothes need to dry. So let's put them outside. Let's hang them outside. Iron the shirts. Yes, so the shirts get wrinkled, especially the collared shirts. Yes, so the collared shirts need to be ironed. Fold the t-shirts. Yeah, so the t-shirts won't fit in the dresser unless we fold them. So we need to fold the t-shirts. Match the socks. Yeah, so we want to match the socks. We don't want to have different socks, right? We want the blues to go with the other blue socks. We want the red socks to go with the red socks. Put the clothes away. Put away the clothes. Put away the clothes. So now they go in the dresser. Put away the clothes. Okay, bonus, clean up. Clean up. Oh, look at this room. It is super, super dirty. Let's clean that room. Clean that room. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Wow. How are we going to clean it? Well, those picture frames, those pictures need to be straightened. So let's straighten the pictures. Yeah. Wow, there's a sock there on the lampshade. So we better put that sock away. Yep. So put the sock where it belongs. Wow, there's some paint on the floor. Wow, how did that get there? So we got to clean up that paint. What else do you see? What else can you see? What needs to be cleaned up, straightened up? Oh, there's a chair right there. That needs to be put back up. Yeah, we got to put the chair back up. Pick it up off the floor. Oh no, the walls are marked up. Yeah, so we have to scrub the walls. Oh, someone painted a picture there on the wall. That's not good. We gotta clean the walls. Yes, we do. Ah, there's a ball of yarn. We gotta put that ball of yarn away. What else do you see? Oh, there's a basketball. Put the basketball in the garage. Yes, and these clothes. We got to put the clothes away. Yeah, put them in the dresser there. Also, let's see, what else do we need to do? Well, there's toilet paper right over there. So we got to put the toilet paper back in the bathroom. How did that get there? How did that get there? What else do we need to do? Boy, lots of things to do in this room. There's a toy giraffe. We got to put that away. What else do we have to clean up? Well, what else do you see? Boy, oh boy. There's a shoe right there on the bed. Put the shoe away. Put the shoe back. Yes. What else? There's a plant right there. Yeah, so we got to pick up the plant, right? Maybe the plant goes on the desk. Yeah, so let's put the plant back on the desk. Well, is that a drink that's been spilt on the floor? Uh-oh, better, we got to clean the drink up, right? Maybe it's wet, so we need a towel. And then we got to put the cup back in the kitchen. Yeah. What else do we have to do? Well, there's a bag right there, a backpack. We got to put that, maybe that should go on the desk. Yeah, get that off the floor. Boy, what would you do with this room? I would just go, oh, where do you start? This is so much to do. Yeah, there's so much to do. What's that? Is that a skateboard on the bed? Oh, got to put the skateboard back away. That's not good. Still, the worst I see is the paint. The paint has been spilt on the floor. So let's clean up that paint. That's going to be really difficult to clean up, wouldn't you say? I think so. What else do you see? Okay. Boy, that was a messy, messy room. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all of my videos, okay? I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.